In this video, I want to look at custom landing pages. Now, so far we've only been inside of the theme builder, but I want to show you how the old landing page feature, the builder in SeedProd, can connect with our theme builder templates. This is a great way to create special landing pages to use for your promotions or growth campaigns or anything that you want to create a landing page for. Let's actually come over to landing pages, and we have all of the options for coming soon mode, maintenance, login, 404, but we can also create a new landing page here. Next, SeedProd's going to ask you to choose a new page template. So we have over 150 professionally designed mobile friendly templates that you can use and import into your page. I want to use a lead squeeze for this example. I'm just going to look for one that might make sense. Okay, great. Here's one, a Black Friday squeeze. It is darker, but you could customize it. Let's go ahead and we'll just call this, maybe call it Black Friday. And you can see the URL here that it's creating. Let's go ahead and save and start editing the page. And here we go. We've imported now a landing page that's pre-made. We can get rid of this header because we're going to add the one that we created earlier. And what we want to do is now add a section above this. So we can actually just create a new section, and we can drag this section to the top. And we want to look for the block called template parts. So here it is right here in advance. We can drag this in. And there you can see that it brought in our header into our page. Let's go ahead and just change the background of this so it makes a little bit more sense. That applies to the current design that we have on the front page. We could do the same with the footer as well. Let's go ahead and just create a row here, and we'll go to template. We'll drag this down here. We'll select this and change this to footer. Let's go ahead and select this section again, change the background color to that lighter gray. And there you go. You can see our footer here. You can see that the header is being overwritten by our global settings here on the landing page. You could actually change this and set a color in the theme footer, or you could change the actual color in the global settings here. So for example, our headers, for example, let's see where that orange was. Try to find that. There you go. So now we have our headers updated. And there you go. You can go ahead and save this, and you can publish this if it's not already. And now you have a Black Friday page where you've now pulled in theme builder templates into your actual landing pages. So there's many different useful things that you can do with this. So there you go. That's how you would create custom landing pages with the SeedProd landing page builder by pulling in different sections from your theme builder themes. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in part 15 in the next video.